Against an uncertain macro environment, Sembcorp delivered a resilient performance for the first half of 2025. The group reported an underlying net profit of 491 million, comparable to 489 million in the first half of 2024. The underlying strength of our portfolio is demonstrated by the performance of each key segment. Gas and related services delivered a steady performance despite a nearly 40% decline in wholesale power prices in Singapore. We grew our stake in Senoko Energy from 30% to 50%, which will deliver earnings growth and substantial synergies. The renewable segment saw improved contribution on higher wind resource in India and increased operational capacity. This is despite higher curtailment in China renewables. Gross installed renewables capacity increased to 13.8 gigawatts from 10 gigawatts a year ago. Integrated urban solutions continued to deliver healthy land sales in Vietnam and Indonesia, as well as improved efficiency from the water business. The business performance highlights the resiliency in our three growth engines despite a highly uncertain business environment.
Amidst a volatile macro environment, our business is resilient. The interim dividend for the first half of 2025 is underpinned by strong earnings and cash flows. Our commitment to drive long-term growth across our gas and related services, renewables, and integrated urban solutions segment remains. We paid a total dividend of 23 cents in 2024, which is a reflection of our confidence in the company's future performance and our ability to generate sustainable returns. We expect to maintain a sustainable dividend payout in 2025 that is commensurate with our underlying earnings and 2024 levels. Now, Batam is rapidly emerging as a significant data center hub due to its proximity to Singapore and its developing digital infrastructure. There are several subsea cable systems being developed, including the Nongsa Changi cable system, which will be ready in the fourth quarter of 2025, and the Insika cable system, which will be operational in 2026. These cables will further enhance connectivity and data transfer speeds between the two regions. We have signed a letter of affirmation with Panbil Group to develop low-carbon industrial parks in Batam to cater to advanced manufacturing and data center industries. This includes the 100 hectares industrial park in Tembusi, an established industrial zone on mainland Batam with a diverse mix of electronics, electrical, precision engineering, and pharmaceutical industries. The industrial park is well positioned to capture growing demand for data centers and other industries, leveraging our capabilities to provide power, low-carbon solutions, and water that are essential for their operations.
While there are macro headwinds, our strategy to support and drive energy transition remains relevant. We are well positioned to capture opportunities across our core segments and remain focused on executing our strategy with discipline and agility. In gas and related services, our increased stake in Senoko Energy, now at 50%, allows us to extract greater synergies across the portfolio. We are focused on optimizing our operations, improving cost efficiency, and lowering financing costs. We have also added over 120 megawatts of long-term power purchase agreements with data centers and commercial customers. In renewables, we are taking a selective and disciplined approach in China as we monitor the impact of regulatory reforms and market development. In India, with a stable fleet of operating assets, paired with a strong pipeline of growth projects, we are ready to explore capital recycling. For our integrated urban solutions segment, we are closely tracking the macro environment, particularly in Vietnam and Indonesia. We continue to drive land sales and are well positioned to capture emerging demand from high growth sectors such as data centers and AI. We remain focused on growing our businesses to deliver increasing value to our shareholders.